In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to be a Canva creator. If you've been dreaming about sharing your designs with the world while connecting with a vibrant community, becoming a Canva creator is the perfect step for you. First off, let's begin by going to the Canva Creators page. You can find this by navigating to the Canva website and looking for the Creators section. Once you're there, look for a button or link that says Become a Creator. Give that button a click. This will take you to a page where you can learn more about what's involved and, importantly, where you can start your application. Next, click on the Apply button that you'll see on this page. At this point, you'll need to either log into your existing Canva account or create a new one if you haven't already got one. It's simple. Just follow the prompts to get that set up. Once you're logged in, you'll encounter a prompt to select your account. This is a sample step to ensure everything is squared away before you proceed with your application. After this, you'll need to select the business type that best describes your profession. This is important as it tailors the application to your specific expertise and interest. After choosing your business type, click Continue, and you will be asked to select your niche topics. These topics are what you're passionate about and where you think your creative strengths lie. You can pick more than one if you feel you have multiple areas of interest or expertise. Following this, click Continue again and then select your business segment. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to define your business function. This information helps Canva understand more about your professional background and how you plan to contribute as a creator. Next, you're asked to share your reasons for applying to the Creator Program. Think about why you want to join this creative community and what you hope to bring to it. You can select multiple reasons if they apply to you. Then it's time to fill out the application form. You'll need to include a link to some of your designs for Canva to review as part of your application. They want to see your creative fingerprint, so make sure you showcase your best work. There's another section where you'll need to explain where you heard about the Canva Creator Program and to set up your language proficiency. English is a common option, but select whichever language you're most proficient in. After this, provide a brief highlight of your professional background, essentially summarizing your experience and achievements. Finally, once you've double-checked all the information in your application, hit the Submit button. Once you do, Canva will review your application. If you're approved, you'll be welcomed into the Creators Program, and you can start your journey as a Canva creator. Thank you for following along with these steps. I'm excited for you to join this incredible community and look forward to seeing what you create.